what's up? Sean Solo, WRC. Got some DS racing wheels, wide, narrow. Actually got a set of all narrows from Horizon Hobby. Big shout out to them. They sent out the Pro Moto paddle. We got that. We'll talk about that later in another episode. But for now, let's put these DS racing wheels on. Got some narrows, I got some wides, but because Wes, one of my subscribers, also one of my friends, let me borrow these for a little bit. Oh, sweet. We're gonna put these on here, do a little bit of action with the slow-mo. Probably use my phone for some slow motion. But yeah, you just drop the wheels in here in the hot water. Make sure you don't get splashed. And I need a wide one right here. Last one, DS Racing LF5s. I recommend these because they're the most slipperiest compared to the LF ones, softer rubber. These are the Type S's. They got a little bit different of a look to them. Also, they're flat. I highly recommend these for the laminate flooring or those mats from Thailand you can get. Pretty dope, super good, lasts for a long time, and just silky smooth. I ride them in my house. I'll give you a little episode in front of my sofa later. And then these are probably warm, so let's get them. Boom, slides right on like that, like butter. Let it cool, and then it will do its thing. Probably I'm not gonna burn my finger. Nope, we're good. Boom, done. Anybody? These are what Wes were running. I'm gonna give him a set of new ones that are a little bit nicer. These are pretty much done. Yeah, you're not gonna have a good time with those. Make sure you put it on straight. If you have a hard time, you could go ahead and use this, put the tire down, something like that. If your finger's weak. Does anybody see the other white one? There it is. Hot. Alright. See what I mean? Just make sure you put it on straight. Right now we're not straight. Take it back off. Focus. Because put it in there a little bit more. Okay, this is that one I'm talking about. There you go. Oh, those look clean. Let's put them on the car. Oh, yeah, that's sweet. All right, that's it. I'm out. Bye.